So if you're anything like me, you've been watching a lot of YouTube recently, and hopefully you've been watching this channel as well. But you may have been hearing a lot about print on demand. And like you, I heard about print on demand for the very first time on YouTube about 2 years ago. So I decided to open my first Etsy store selling print on demand products. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how long it took me to get my first sale. I will also be sharing with you how much money I made in my first month with print on demand. And I will share with you as well how you can get started with your very own print on demand business. Hi, my name is Byte Jones and welcome back to the channel. Maybe you're nothing like me, you've not been watching YouTube, you've never come across this channel before, you have no idea what print on demand is, so what am I even talking about? So let us start there. What is print on demand? Print on demand is just a business model where you can sell a product online without holding any inventory yourself. All you have to do is to find a product that you can put a design on, so a design that you will create. That product could be a t-shirt, a wall poster, a mug, a phone case. There are 3 big print on demand companies. You can go to any one of these websites and you can have a look at the types of products they offer, and you can sell any one of these products that you can add your design to. You will then list this product for sale on an online marketplace like Etsy or eBay, or even on your own Shopify site. When somebody buys the product from you, you will then notify your printing partner. They will print, package, and ship the product to the customer for you. The entire process can be automated. Your print on demand partner can plug directly into whichever e-commerce platform you're using. And when an order comes in, that will go straight to them and they will print, package, and ship it to the customer. You never have to get involved and you just collect your profit. It's time to get into the real reason why you're here. You're here to see how much money I made in my first month with my print on demand business. But before I get into showing you how much money I made in my first month, let me show you how long it took me to make my first sale. So I started my Etsy store in October 2020. And it took me 2 weeks to get my first order. So if I just click on orders here, you can see for the first couple of weeks of the store, I had no sales. And then on the 28th of October, so towards the end of 2 weeks, I had my first sale. So many people who are opening an Etsy shop might not realize that it might take you some time to get your first sale. This is not a get rich quick business. You will need to graft and you will need to be patient. Now let's look at how many sales I made in my first month of being on Etsy. So you can see here over the course of a month, I made 16 sales. So I had 16 orders. I made £383. So that works out to about 450 US dollars. It might not sound like a lot of money, but for some people, this might be a lot of money. I'm sharing this with you because I want you to be able to relate. You know, I started Etsy with 0 experience. I've never had an Etsy store before. I do not have a big social media following. I do not have a massive advertising budget. As a matter of fact, I didn't spend any money on ads whatsoever, neither on Etsy or on social media, nowhere at all. All I did was to open an Etsy store, list about 20 or 24 products. I think it was 24 products. And all the orders that I received during this period were all organic orders. Not a single order came from a friend or family member. In fact, I don't even think to this day a friend or family member has ever bought something from my Etsy store. I think I might need to get new friends. Anyways, but all the visits that I got were, organic traffic, no ads, as I said earlier. My first order was from a complete stranger. All 16 orders, complete strangers. I do think that I had a bit of luck here because it was coming up to the shopping season in America and across the world, because Thanksgiving in the United States was just around the corner and it was coming up to the Christmas shopping season as well. And the sort of product that I was selling at the time as well is the sort of thing that people would buy as Christmas gifts and so on. I also do think that COVID and lockdown play a part in that as well, because people couldn't get out to the shops a lot. So I do think a lot of people were online looking for gifts and doing a lot of online shopping. So I think that was a big factor in helping me to drum up the orders that I got in my first 30 days. So 650 visits, 16 orders, 2.5% conversion rate, £383 in sales. So if we just take a quick look at the visits here, you can see when I first launched the store, for the first few days, I wasn't getting any traffic, and then that slowly built over time. And then it just grew and grew and grew. If we look at orders, you can see again, I was getting 0 orders for a few days, nearly 2 weeks. Then I got that first order there. And then that slowly grew where, you know, some days I would get 1 order. Then other days I wouldn't get any sales at all. Then one day here I had 3 orders and so on. And don't get me wrong, there's some people who can do a lot better than this. And I know there's some people who can get hundreds of sales literally on their first day, but that's mainly because they're spending a lot of money on ads on Etsy and also on external websites as well. This is something that an ordinary person just sat at home, you know, without the big budgets, this is what I achieved. Now, when it comes on to finding a platform to sell your products, you can use many different platforms for your print-on-demand business. Now, obviously, I said I started with Etsy, but you can even create your own print-on-demand business using your own website by using a platform like Shopify. Now, I've made a video about Shopify and whether this is something that you can consider for your business. So if you haven't seen that already, I will link it in the description below. Now, the reason why I've decided to go with Etsy is because of the sheer amount of traffic that Etsy gets. Etsy gets anywhere between 5 and 600 million people per month who visits the website, and these are people who are looking to buy. So already you have a very targeted audience on Etsy. I kind of also feel like the people who visit Etsy, because the sellers on Etsy are normally small businesses who are selling handmade products, I tend to feel like customers on Etsy are willing to pay more of a premium price for the products they buy there. So this is why I think Etsy is one of the best places to start your print-on-demand business. To start selling on Etsy, it's extremely easy to do. It's also free to get started. However, once you start listing your products, Etsy will charge you a listing fee of 20 cents US dollars per product that you list. And I think that listing then lasts for about 4 months. To start selling on Etsy, you just need to scroll to the bottom of the page, click on the Sell on Etsy link, fill out the form, and then you can start listing your products. It's as easy as that. I was able to create my own Etsy store in a matter of 1 or 2 days, from creation to listing about 20 products for sale that I am ready to sell. An advice that I normally give the people whenever you create an Etsy store is to make sure that your store looks as complete as possible. So you want to create things like your FAQs, you want to have a privacy policy, you want to complete your About Us section, you want to make sure that you're providing as much information as possible and about yourself, if possible, about your store to your customers, so that when they're buying from you, they feel like you are trustworthy, you're a legitimate business, and they will want to buy from you. And ensure that you also provide amazing customer service for your customers when they do buy a product from you. This is something that I really focused on when I started my own Etsy business. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. I also really appreciate making these videos for you. One of the reasons why I've decided to do YouTube is to share whatever knowledge I have with as many people as I can. And I think YouTube is a great platform for that. So if you find the video useful, please use the comments section below. Let me know what you think. Also, if there's anything that I can do to help you in your print-on-demand business or to help you get started, please let me know as well. Don't forget to share the video with as many people as you can. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe right now. And please give the video a thumbs up for me, because the algorithm apparently really likes it. So thank you again, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.